thing burnt today is me, boys.
All right, you know what? Sean, you might be laughing now, but you are not ready for this final phase. In 24 hours from now, we will be attacking your yacht with a barrage of machine guns. Any questions about phase 4? In addition to every single phase so far in this video combined, the fireworks, the catapults, the arrows, the 100 cannons.
You have 100 more cannonballs?
And rather than a bunch of bombs, this giant monstrosity, borderline nuclear missile, questionably even illegal, island-flattening sea mine.
All of that on top of machine guns?
Yeah.